Hey guys, good day to you. Today, I would like to share with you another AI website. It's called fireflyadobe.com. We just click this first one, AI art generator. So we will bring you to this web page. So I already signed in. So when we enter this interface, we just come in here, explode Firefly. Just click in. Then we'll bring you to this web page. So you just click agree. So after you agree, okay. So here at the top right corner, you can join the Discord. Okay. So just go through first. What can provide here? Text to image. Okay, generate image from a detailed text description. So we can generate. So he will bring you to this interface. So you can choose one of these image or this photo, and then you can click try pawn if you want to use this kind of the model. So for example, I just use this one. I just click in. So here is an example. So we can see they'll provide 4 selection for you to to download, or you can do this is about show similar, and this one is the name is called Generative Fill. This is very good and latest this app. We also can choose maybe option and download and give this kind of favorite. So before that, we can try to check the right hand side. You can change the aspect ratio. Maybe you want to upload to your Instagram, TikTok, or the Facebook post. So you can select one of them. And you also can select content type. You can choose for the graphic, for example. So now the below this column there have this kind of the text prompt plus graphic. Just now is none. So when I tick the content type, they will be coming graphic. And you can change to be photo or art as well. So at the same time, you also can scroll down to select one of the style. For example, now the current is popular. So during this popular, they have digital art and so on, like a neon. You can tick neon, so they will provide in this column. And you also can tick one of the popular. So for example, if I want digital art and neon, so I can click generate. So this frog can be generate different kind. If you want more, we can choose the color and tone. Click the going down button and select one of them. Okay, or you want to remain none. Lighting. So now we can see if I select the popular is neon and digital art, this frog will be look like more different. So and then okay, we can going to see this one light. We can select one of them. Maybe if I'm the photographer, you can choose maybe the golden hour as well. And in composition, you also can select one of them. Maybe shoot from below, shoot from above, and whatever you wish he provide at here, you can just tick over there. So here I just change a little bit. Maybe for example, a girl, and may practice the karate. So now before that, I can generate one more time. So this text will be changed to image and following what kind of style, popular, and color and tone. So this is what it look like. Okay, so if I don't want use this style is popular, I can change to maybe movement. For example, I can tick one of them to try to testing. But now when we tick, we can see this style already have provide photo, neon, digital art, and sorry, I don't know how to pronounce these sentences, these words. Sorry about that. So now I just try to click generate, because here they have provide different kind of style. You also can try to use one of them, so you can try to testing by yourself. So now I just waiting the generate. Okay, this one look like more interesting. Okay, so now if I like it, I can download. Okay, download here. Okay, so now we can try to see this one show similar. For example, this tree type I don't want it, I want this similar one, and request Adobe Firefly to help me to generate another 3 photo similar like this. Just click it. So later on, this 3 picture will be show similar like this photo, the first one. Okay, so this is generated by following by the first photo I select. So now if I want one of this photo, for example, okay, I select the number 2. This one is called Generative Fill. Just click. So he will bring you to this image. Okay, sorry, this interface. So now we can see the left hand side have 3 column: insert, remove, and pan. Just click pan. Then you can see this hand. You can remove left or right. Just click and then don't release. After you okay this position, just release. So now we're back to insert. When we click the insert, so here they have provide add, subscribe, subtract, setting, breakdown, and inverse, and clear. So we can try to do it one by one. So for example, if now I just choose breakdown, then just waiting for a while, they will pop up this one. Describe the image you want to generate, but during this moment it's English only. So now we remove the breakdown just like that. Okay, so now what we want to do is you can add in the description. For example, we can add in this breakdown like school, and then click generate. Okay, so we take a look one by one. This one number 1, this one number 2, this one number 3, and this one number 4. Okay, so if let's say you're not happy about this 4 picture, the breakdown, you also can click more to let the AI to generate. So this is the picture is provided by AI. So if let's say one of the photo you like it, you just click the one is already highlighted, and then just click the button keep. So that we will do like this. Okay, so for example, if you want to remove something, for example, just click the remove. So here we can do like here we can just erase. Okay, we also can, if this erase is quite huge, so we just back to subtract, and then just erase back. Okay, so now we come to setting. Here they have a brush size. We can adjust the brush size as you wish. Brush hardness, brush opacity, follow what you want. Okay, now we just coming back here. For example, if let's say here I want to change something. For example, here I can put I just erase over here. Okay, sorry about that. I have to come back to this one, add, and then erase this hand over here. After I erase, we can see this output. Then we back to insert, key in the text or the description you want. For example, I write down burger, generate. Okay, let's take a look. The burger have different kind of burger. Then you just look which one you more prefer. Okay, which one you more prefer. I think this one quite okay. If you're happy about this, back to insert and then click the button keep. We also can go to the button download if you want to download it. Okay, just now we already go through the text to image and use text to image to generative the fill just now I mentioned. So now I click one more time, upload my own photo. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, use this one, like yesterday the one, and then I can zoom in. Sorry, I can scroll up, and then insert and change the setting to the brush size about 10. Okay, then I just maybe click over here to brush. Okay, just see more clearly. Adjust over here. Okay, here I just key in pink color watch. Click generate. So just waiting a few seconds. Then this AI will help me to generate a watch. Okay, so they have a different photo. Okay, you can choose one of them, but I see this one more better. Okay, then I zoom up. If let's say I like this one, I just click the button keep. Okay, it look like not bad. Okay, like this. So now if you're happy about this photo, you can click the button download. Or now we join to see another different kind of effect. For example, text effect generate. They have a different kind of alphabet. So if let's say one of them you like it, you just click try. So this is the firefly words over here. So this type is called bright woven fiber. You also can change to flowers, snake, dry wood. So they have a different kind of the prompt over here. So they also provide 4 selection for you to select which one you more prefer. We can try to see the balloon. You can select one of them. You also can choose different kind of the text fit and font as well. You also can change the background color. For example, now is this highlight this background color. You can select green if you want to use the green screen over there. You also can select this one is called removed background or transparent background. Yes, just like that. You can choose whatever the color you like, just select over there. Or you also can refresh this design. You can change whatever the font name like you want. For example, I can put Anna. Just wait for a while. Pink gold balloons will be generate one more time like this. Very beautiful the text. After you're happy about this text, you can click the button download. Okay, if you're happy download, then you click don't show and then click continue. For example, continue. So applying content creation. Okay, allowed. Okay, now we back to the main page and see continually is about generative recolor. It look like this. I think this one is in exploration, so both of them is exploration, so this one might be later on. Okay, so now we just click this one and then he will request you upload if you have a SVG picture, but currently I don't have any in my computer, my PC. So now just maybe click one of these cat. Okay, so you can take a look here. They provide 4 different color, so you can put your prompt over here, blue, purple, and green. You can click refresh. You also can select one of these provided prompt sample. Okay, also can generate by them, by AI. Default, you can change whatever provided at here and select the color as you wish. So once you can see, they will provide your selected command or selected this harmony or this prompt. They will provide that here. So once you're happy about this photo, you also can download as well. Shift color. Okay, so this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoy today the video and see you in next video soon.